Have you ever wondered how millionaires made their first million? Have you ever pondered upon the secrets that catapulted them to the top? Well, you're not alone. Every successful journey begins with a single step, and every millionaire has a story to tell. But what if we told you that one such millionaire, a faceless figure shrouded in mystery, is ready to share his financial wisdom with you? Intriguing, isn't it? Allow us to introduce you to the mystery millionaire mentor, a silhouette figure who has navigated the turbulent seas of financial markets and emerged victorious, amassing wealth beyond most people's wildest dreams. But he wasn't always the millionaire he is today. Like many of us, our mentor started with nothing more than a dream and a burning desire for success. He has walked the path, made the mistakes, learned the lessons, and in the process, discovered the golden rules to financial success. But who is this faceless mentor, you ask? Well, that's the million-dollar question. His identity remains a secret, adding an intriguing layer to our journey. He prefers to let his wisdom do the talking, guiding us from the shadows, helping us decode the cryptic world of finance. In this series, our mystery millionaire mentor will share his priceless knowledge, the very secrets that propelled him to the top. He will guide us on how to make smart financial decisions, build wealth, and avoid the pitfalls that have claimed many aspiring millionaires. He will reveal the strategies that work, the investments that pay, and the financial habits that can transform your life. But remember, this journey is not just about learning, it's about applying these lessons in real life. It's about taking action, making bold decisions, and daring to dream big. It's about stepping out of your comfort zone and venturing into the unknown, equipped with the financial wisdom of our mystery millionaire mentor. Stay tuned as our mystery millionaire mentor unveils the secrets to financial success. Our mystery millionaire mentor has a set of golden rules for financial success. So, let's dive into the first rule, the rule of saving. Our mentor has always said, "A penny saved is a penny earned," a phrase that is as old as time, yet still rings true. The secret is not just in the act of saving, but in the discipline it instills. It's about understanding the value of money and the potential of every dollar saved. Think of it as planting a seed that will one day grow into a towering tree. Now, on to rule number 2, the rule of investing. Our mentor advises, the best investment you can ever make is in yourself. But how does this translate into financial success? Well, it's about investing in your skills, your knowledge, your health, and your relationships. It's about being proactive and taking calculated risks. This could mean taking a course to improve your skills, starting a business, or putting money into stocks and bonds. The goal here is to generate returns that outpace inflation and grow your wealth over time. Last, but certainly not least, we have the third rule, the rule of diversifying income streams. Our mentor firmly believes in the saying, "Don't put all your eggs in one basket." This is about not relying on a single source of income. It might be a job today, a rental property tomorrow, and a side business the day after. By diversifying your income streams, you're not only creating multiple avenues for money to flow in, but you're also safeguarding yourself against unforeseen circumstances. So, there you have it. The Mystery Millionaire Mentor's top 3 golden rules for financial success: saving, investing, and diversifying income streams. Each rule is a piece of the puzzle, fitting together to create a complete picture of financial independence and wealth. Remember, these golden rules are the foundation of all wealth-building strategies. Did you know that the majority of millionaires are self-made, and it all starts with saving? Let's unravel this a bit. Picture a seed. On its own, it doesn't seem like much. But give it the right conditions, some time, and a little bit of care, and it can grow into a mighty tree. That's essentially what saving is. It's the seed of your financial tree. The more you save, the stronger your financial foundation becomes, and the higher your potential for growth. So, how do we save effectively? It all boils down to 3 core principles. First, start early. The earlier you start saving, the more time your money has to grow. Second, consistency is key. Make saving a regular habit, not an afterthought. And lastly, live within your means. This doesn't mean you have to give up all your pleasures. It's about making smart choices that align with your financial goals. Let's put it this way, every dollar you save is like a soldier in your financial army, fighting to secure your financial freedom. The more soldiers you have, the stronger your army. And who wouldn't want a strong army, right? In the end, it's not about how much money you make, but how much you keep. And the best way to keep more, you guessed it, saving. In the world of finance, the power of saving cannot be underestimated. Now let's delve into the millionaire's game, investing. Investing, my friends, is the cornerstone of wealth creation. It's the art of putting your money to work, allowing it to grow over time. Imagine it as planting seeds, nurturing them, and then reaping the fruits of your labor. There are a plethora of investment options at your disposal. Let's start with stocks. Purchasing a stock means buying a piece of a company, thus becoming a shareholder. As the company grows and prospers, so does your investment. Then we have bonds, essentially loans you give to the government or corporations who pay you back with interest. Real estate investing involves buying property for rental income or capital appreciation. And let's not forget about mutual funds, where your money is pooled with other investors to invest in a diversified portfolio. But how do you get started? Well, the first step is to do your homework. Research is king in the world of investing. Understand the market, study the trends, and learn about the companies or properties you're interested in. There's no shortcut to this. Knowledge is your best weapon. Next, you need to decide how much you're willing to invest. Remember, never invest money you can't afford to lose. Start small, and as you gain confidence and experience, you can gradually increase your investments. Patience, dear friends, is paramount. Investing is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It's a long-term game. The most successful investors are those who are patient and persistent, those who understand that wealth creation is a journey, not a sprint. Lastly, don't be afraid to seek advice. There are numerous financial advisors and investment platforms out there that can guide you on your journey. Listen, learn, and make informed decisions. Investing might seem daunting, but with patience and persistence, it can be your ticket to financial freedom. Our mystery millionaire mentor believes in not putting all eggs in one basket. Picture yourself holding a basket full of golden eggs. Each egg represents a source of income. If you trip and drop the basket, all your eggs shatter. But if you had multiple baskets and you drop one, you still have others intact. That's the power of diversifying your income streams. It's not about working multiple jobs around the clock. It's about creating avenues that work for you, even when you're not. Passive income, for instance, is a great way to achieve this. Think royalties from a book you've written, rental income from a property you own, or even dividends from stocks you've invested in. You could also consider side hustles. These are small businesses or gigs that you can manage in your spare time. It could be anything from running a blog to selling handmade crafts. The internet has opened up a plethora of opportunities for side hustles. And let's not forget about investments. Investing in stocks, bonds, real estate, or even startup businesses can generate significant returns over time. It may involve higher risk, but with calculated decisions and proper research, it can lead to substantial rewards. Remember, the key is to create multiple, diverse income streams that can cushion you if one fails. Diversifying your income streams can provide financial security and open doors to new wealth-building opportunities. We've learned a lot from our mystery millionaire mentor today. We've traversed through the labyrinth of financial wisdom, absorbing the golden rules that form the bedrock of wealth creation. We've understood the power of saving, not just as a means to accumulate, but also as a safety net that cushions us against unforeseen financial shocks. We delved into the exhilarating world of investing, where money is not merely stored but multiplied. The millionaire's game taught us the thrill of making our money work for us, rather than us working for our money. And finally, we explored the concept of diversifying income streams, ensuring that we are not reliant on a single source of income, but rather creating multiple channels of wealth. Remember, everyone can build wealth. It's not about how much you make, it's about how much you keep and how hard it works for you.